If you've ever wondered how to naturally whiten your teeth, freshen your breath, or improve gum health without expensive treatments, this simple science-backed guide will help. Many people think whitening requires costly strips, but baking soda is one of the most effective natural options. It's a gentle cleaner that helps remove stains without damaging enamel. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of 3% hydrogen peroxide and a little water to create a mild whitening paste. Brush with it for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse well, using it 2 to 3 times a week for gradual, safe results. Along with whitening, there's another powerful oral care method called oil pulling. This ancient practice involves swishing a tablespoon of oil, preferably coconut oil, in your mouth for 10 to 20 minutes to pull out bacteria and plaque before spitting it out. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a natural antimicrobial compound that helps fight harmful bacteria, fungi, and candida, which are common causes of bad breath and gum inflammation. Many people who do this regularly report fresher breath, reduced plaque, and healthier gums. And research shows it can work. Similarly to prescription mouthwash for reducing gingivitis. But oral health isn't only about cleaning. Your diet plays a huge role. One of the hidden causes of bleeding gums is low vitamin C, and sugar. Compete for absorption in your body. So when you eat a lot of sugary foods, your vitamin C levels drop, weakening your gum tissue. Adding vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers while cutting back on sugar can noticeably strengthen your gums and reduce inflammation. Before trying any natural method, remember a few safety tips. Only use 3% hydrogen peroxide. It's easy to think that using more whitening paste, more baking soda, or more hydrogen peroxide will make your teeth cleaner faster. But overuse can actually harm your enamel and irritate your gums. Always use only a small amount of whitening mixtures and never exceed 3% hydrogen peroxide. Even natural remedies should be used in moderation. If you notice sensitivity, redness, or bleeding, stop immediately and give your mouth time to recover. Safe oral care is all about balance. Use these methods wisely to protect your smile. Don't overuse whitening mixtures. And treat oil pulling as an addition to brushing and flossing, not a replacement. If you have ongoing sensitivity or gum problems, consult a dentist. With simple, consistent habits like baking, soda whitening, coconut oil pulling, and eating the right nutrients, you can dramatically improve your oral health at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more health content, stay healthy and keep smiling.